Alright guys, good morning to everyone. Now that my coffee is brewing. Oh, somebody's trying to get in. I don't know. Screw them, they can walk around like the rest of us. Here's my new toy. I think that was somebody. Was that somebody? Oh, sure was. That was my next door neighbor. He's gonna come and yell at me now because I didn't open the door. I thought it was somebody, but oh man, I better make this video later. He's kind of pissed. Good morning. Wow, we just started the day. What the hell? We're gonna make this one a short one. Beautiful light. And we had some problems with some brakes yesterday because they didn't clean them out, so I bought these. These are on sale this month for 18 bucks. Alright. Alright, so it's got a charger. Put the charger on it. And you have this extra battery in case the battery goes bad. And the first one, you put this one in as a temporary. And this is the actual light itself. It goes high, low. You can turn it down really low where it's like this. Or 900 watts. Pow! Like that. And then you turn it down like this. It's got another button right here. Use it as an actual flashlight with it on the tip. Pretty snazzy. It's magnetic on the back end, and it has a hook on it. Kind of hard to do it with one hand, but you pop this little hook thing up, and then you can just hook it on whatever you need. Pretty snazzy. There's the box. Like that. There's the hook right there. So you hook and you can hook it on. It's pretty stout. So. No! Anyway, have a wonderful Friday, guys. Like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Liquids of the Gods is ready to be drunk. Man, I gotta wake up.